Add sealing ring. Turbine bearing assembly and sealing treatment. After installing the motor, the minimum current loss will be tested to ensure it is around 0.25 A, thus meeting the standard. After assembling into this semi-finished product, it needs to be placed at different angles for 2 days to check for oil leaks. 2 days later, assembly resumed only after no signs of oil leakage were observed in the machine. After the entire machine is assembled, each one will be tested. Organizing wires. Add protective cover. Add specific model label. Finally, add the outer casing and pack it up.